Hello viewers, welcome you all to Naxar YouTube channel. In episode 125, we are going to discuss on world famous car festival of Puri, Vishwa Prasiddha Puri Ratha Yatra Samparkare. So let's know the world famous car festival of Puri. There are three chariots made for the four lords to have their car festival journey from Shimandira to the Maushima Mandira. The Gajapati Raja, the king of Puri, sweeps the chariots, three chariots, which is called Chera Pahara. He is the first Sevaka or the first server of Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Goddess Subhadra and Lord Sudarsana. These four gods are called the Chaturdha Murati. Every year the chariots start their journey from Singadwara or the lion's door of Sri Mandira, the Puri temple, Jagannath temple, and go to Maushima Mandir, the aunt's temple, the auntie of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, Maushima or auntie's temple on Ashada Shukla Dutiya Tithi, and after 9 days staying there, they come back, which is known as Ratha Yatra, the world famous car festival of Puri in the state of Orissa in India. So let's know more about the cars or the chariots of Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra and Lord Jagannath. Name of the chariot. Number 1. Name of the chariot of Lord Balabhadra is called Taladhwaja. And the name of the chariot of Subhadra, Devi Subhadra, Goddess Subhadra is called Darpa Dalana or otherwise known as Deva Dalana. The chariot of Lord Jagannath is called Nandi Ghosh or Kapidhwaja or Garudadhwaja. Number 2. The height of the chariot and the wheels used in the chariots. There are different of heights of the chariots. The chariot of Balabhadra, Lord Balabhadra is 45 feet and the wheels are 14 in numbers. Lord Subhadra or Goddess Subhadra, the car or the chariot height is 44 feet and 6 inches, and the number of wheels used in Darpadalan or Devadalan is 12 in number. Lord Jagannath's chariot is of 45 feet 6 inches in height, and there are 16 wheels in Nandi Ghosha or Kapidhwaja or Garudadhwaja chariot. Number 3. Charioteer and number of wood used in the chariot of Lord Balabhadra is, charioteer is Matali, and the number of wood is 732 numbers of wood are used in the chariot of Lord Balabhadra. The charioteer of Lord Subhadra chariot is known as Arjuna, and the number of wood used in the Devadalan or Darpadalan chariot is 711. 711 pieces of wood are used in the Devadalan or Darpadalan chariot. In the chariot of Lord Jagannath, the charioteer is Garuda, and the number of wood used in the chariot of Lord Jagannath, which is known as Nandi Ghosha, that is 742 pieces. The color of the cloth used in the Taladhwaja Ratha or Taladhwaja chariot is red and green. The color used in the cloth of Darpadalana or Subhadra, goddess Subhadra's chariot is red and black. And Lord Jagannath's chariot, Nandi Ghosha, the color of the cloth is red and yellow. Number 5. Name of the rope which is used in the Taladhwaja chariot is Basuki, and in Darpadalana or Devadalana chariot, the name of the rope is Swarna Chuda, and the name of the rope of Nandi Ghosh chariot is Sankha Chuda. Number 6. Gods on the chariot. Lord Balabhadra and Ramakrishna are the gods on the chariot of Taladhwaja chariot. And on the Darpadalana chariot, Subhadra and Sudarshan are the gods and goddesses. Jagannath and Madan Mohan are found in Nandi Ghosh or Kapidhwaja or Garudadhwaja chariot. Number 7. Weapons of the god of Taladhwaja chariot is Hala Mushala. The weapons of the god or goddess Subhadra in the Darpadalana is lotus and kanhar, and in Nandi Ghosha the weapons of the god is Sankha and Chakra, conch and the wheel, Chakra. Number 8. Names of the parrots. Names of the parrots on the Balabhadra's chariot or Taladhwaja is known as Shraddha and Vishwas. Shraddha and Vishwas. And the names of the parrots of Devadalana chariot are Suparna and Dwasuparna. And the names of the parrots of Nandi Ghosh chariot are Jiva and Parama. Number 9. Gods on the flag. The gods on the flag on Taladhwaja Ratha is Unmani. On Darpadalana, the gods on the flag is Tripura Sundari. And on the Nandi Ghosha, the name of the flag god is Hanuman. Hanuman is the god on the flag of the Nandi Ghosh chariot. Number 10. Names of the horses. There are different names of the horses in different chariots. On Taladhwaja Ratha, the horses are Sankha, Suchitra, Angad and Meghanada. The horses name on Darpadalana or goddess Subhadra's chariot are Ruchika, Mochika, Jita and Aparajita. The names of the horses on Nandi Ghosha or the Jagannath chariot are Sankha, Badahaka, Sweta and Haridasa. Number 11. Color of the horses. color of the horses of Taladhwaj chariot are black, and the color of the horses on Darpadalana or Devadalan chariot are red, and the horses color of Lord Jagannath chariot or Nandi Ghosa are Sankha. The color is white of Lord Jagannath's or Nandi Ghosa chariot. Then number 12, protector of the chariot. The protector of the chariot of Taladhwaj Ratha or Taladhwaj chariot is Vasudeva and Bhaskara. The protector of the chariot of Devi Subhadra or Goddess Subhadra, Darpadalan chariot are Hari and Hara, and the protector of the chariot on Nandighosa or Sri Jagannath's chariot are Bhairav and Narasingha. There are so many informations regarding the chariots and the car festival of Puri, but here in this episode 125 I have given a very few knowledge about the chariot and the car festival at Puri. Hope it will definitely enrich your knowledge on car festival at Puri and Lord Jagannath temple. Thank you all. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath.